boy. And you see this big bitch. So it's unboxing day. It's a keyboard, by the way. Oh, I feel like I need this big of a box for a keyboard, but you know, I don't make the rules. It's kind of heavy. K71M RGB illuminated mechanical keyboard. Multicolor backlight by IROX. With the red switch configurations. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. The little clicky click shit. But yeah. This is it. It's not a whole lot to describe about it. You know, it's a keyboard. It's got the little scrolly wheel on the end for, hold on, let me see, what's it for? Smart wheel, that's what it's called. Support from Windows, built-in apps to pro software, compatible with Windows 10 and additional drivers. Probably use that for my music, honestly, or my videos and shit. Switch back and forth between that. But yeah, just got all the little details and features and specifications. Jesus Christ, I couldn't get that out about it. So yeah, and I got an all-white one too, by the way, for my build. Is obviously my build is all white. They're mostly all white, so just took it out of the plastic. Let's see if I can't get it open and out of this box. I can't figure out how to get it open. I don't know which way it opens. Okay, right here. Bow, bow. K71M IROX keyboard. This thing's heavy for a keyboard. Maybe I just haven't picked up a keyboard in a while, but this little mofo is heavy. It's got a nice little weight to it. I'll open it up here in a second. Hold on. Some more stuff in the box back here. Like wiring. Nope, nope. Plug in. Charger, plug in, whatever you want to call it. Boom, put it down there. Alright, let's open this bad boy up and show you what it looks like. If I can figure out how to open it. Here is all your buttons and layout and your little booklet for the keyboard. Everything about it that you need to know. I'm not going to go through that. And voila, here she be, the all white RGB IROX keyboard, K71M model.